A very good morning, children. Welcome to the psychology classroom. I hope you all are fine and studying very properly. So, children, I just hope आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रहे होंगे और अच्छे से अपनी पढ़ाइयाँ कर रहे होंगे. Now, children, it's time to focus toward your studies very hard, as you all are passed from the class 11 to the class 12. So, it's very important for you all to be focused, to be concentrated. So, in that regarding, like if I talk about the today video, we are discussing basically the chapter 1, which is the variation in psychological attribute. In that particular chapter, we had discussed the topics like individual differences, situationism, and we also discussed about the assessment, what are the types of assessment. We had discussed about the domains, the 5 domains of psychological attribute. We also have discussed about the different assessment method. After this, I am going to discuss with you today is about the intelligence. Okay, so let's study about the topic of today is intelligence. Children, intelligence is one of the psychological attribute. Intelligence एक psychological attribute है और we had discussed there are mainly 5 psychological attribute. Out of 5, the one you have to discuss in detail, which is the intelligence. आपको इसी को डिटेल में पढ़ना है. I want from you all to write down the topic which we have to discuss. Okay, so what do you understand by intelligence, children? Okay, what do you understand by intelligence? When we studied about intelligence, so what a different definition and different meaning of intelligence will come. बहुत different तरीके के meaning और definitions आएंगे. Intelligence को IQ कहा जाता है. It is denoted by the term IQ. Okay. इंटेलिजेंस क्वोशंट के फॉर्म में इंटेलिजेंस डिनोट होता है. इंटेलिजेंस आप किसको समझोगे? द पर्सन हु इज स्कोरिंग वेरी हाई मार्क्स इन देयर सब्जेक्ट्स एंड डूइंग अ टॉप इन देयर स्ट्रीम इन देयर क्लास. सो टू दैट वन यू कंसिडर्ड एन इंटेलिजेंट? नो. Intelligence doesn't mean that you scored very high marks and so you will become an intelligent. It is not like that कि आप बहुत अच्छे स्कोर कर रहे हो तो आप इंटेलिजेंट हो. ओके, ऐसा नहीं. Intelligence does not only limited to the curriculum, but the intelligence have a wide scope and it has been seen in wide area. It has a various spheres of life. Okay, some of the definitions which are discussed in your book I am going to discuss with you. There are so many definitions of intelligence were given by different psychologists. Like first of all, Oxford Dictionary. According to Oxford Dictionary, according to the Oxford Dictionary, what is intelligence? Intelligence is the ability to. Intelligence is the power of. Sorry, here it's not an ability. Intelligence is the power of perceiving, learning, understanding, and knowing. This is the definition of intelligence according to the Oxford Dictionary, children. I want from you all to note it down. ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी ने इंटेलिजेंस को डिफाइन किया है, इंटेलिजेंस इज द पावर ऑफ परसीविंग, लर्निंग, अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड नोइंग। ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी ने कहा इंटेलिजेंस क्या है, ये पावर है। हाउ वी परसीव द थिंग्स, हाउ वी लर्न द थिंग, हाउ वी अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स एंड हाउ वी नो द थिंग। सो इन शॉर्ट you can write down for this one is pluck. Intelligence की definition according to the Oxford Dictionary. Pluck. Intelligence is the power of perceiving, learning, understanding and knowing. So through the help of the pluck you will be able to know the definition. Coming to the next definition. I hope you have written this one. Next definition of intelligence, which is given by Binet and Simon. According to Binet and Simon, इंटेलिजेंस को उन्होंने कैसे डिफाइन किया है? तो दे डिफाइन इंटेलिजेंस इज द Intelligence is the ability to judge well, understand well, and reason well. बिनेट एंड साइमन के अकॉर्डिंग इंटेलिजेंस क्या है? ये एक एबिलिटी होता है टू जज वेल, अंडरस्टैंड वेल एंड रीजन वेल। एबिलिटी टू जज वेल, इट इज, इसको भी हम लोग शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं जज। एबिलिटी टू जज वेल, अंडरस्टैंड वेल एंड रीजन वेल। सो दिस इज द टू डेफिनेशन चिल्ड्रन which is given by the two different psychologists, and I want from you all to note it down. So moving toward to the next definition, I had discussed with you the two major definition, first Oxford Dictionary and second Binet and Simon. Now moving toward to the next definition, which is given by the Wessler. According to Wessler, इंटेलिजेंस क्या है? इंटेलिजेंस इज द aggregate capacity of an individual, to act purposefully, to think rationally, and to deal effectively with the environment. This is the definition of intelligence which is given by the Wessler. Okay, I want from you all to note it down, children. आप इसे नोट डाउन करिए, then I will explain to you इंटेलिजेंस क्या है। जैसे सभी के अपने अपने डेफिनेशंस थे, उसी तरह वेस्लर के भी थे, जहां पे ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी बोलती है कि इंटेलिजेंस क्या है, एक पावर है ऑफ परसीविंग, लर्निंग, अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड नोइंग। वहीं पे बेनेट साइमन बोलते हैं इट इज द एबिलिटी टू जज वेल, टू अंडरस्टैंड वेल एंड टू रीजन. हाउ मच यू आर एबल टू जज, हाउ मच यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड रीजन इज एन इंटेलिजेंस. वही वेस्लर बोलता है इंटेलिजेंस क्या, ये एग्रीगेट कैपेसिटी है इंडिविजुअल का टू थिंक पर्पसफुली. ये आप जो पर्सन पर्पसफुली थिंक करता है, रैशनली एक्ट करता है और अपने इन्वायरमेंट से डील करता है, उन्हें हम इंटेलिजेंस कहते हैं. सो इंटेलिजेंस यही है. इंटेलिजेंस बेसिकली रिलेटेड टू ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द डेफिनेशन. One left important definition is given by this Sternberg. So discuss. I hope you all have written it down. आप सभी ने इसको लिख लिया होगा. ठीक है. So I am going to rub it now. Now next definition which is given by the Robert Sternberg. Robert Sternberg ने ये definition दी है. So according to Sternberg, his full name was Robert Sternberg. Intelligence क्या है? Intelligence is the ability to adjust with the environment, ability to adjust with the environment, modify and shape accordingly. This is a definition which is given by the Robert Sternberg. Intelligence is the ability to adjust with the environment, modify and shape accordingly. रॉबर्ट स्टर्नबर्ग ने कहा जो बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति होते हैं, इंटेलिजेंट इंडिविजुअल जो होते हैं, दे डू नॉट ओनली एडजस्ट विद द एनवायरनमेंट बट दे आल्सो मॉडिफाई इट एंड शेप इट अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ओन नीड्स. अपने अनुसार, अपने अकॉर्डिंगली वे लोग ना ही सिर्फ इन्वायरमेंट से एडजस्ट होते हैं, बस उसे मॉडिफाई भी करते हैं और उसे शेप भी करते हैं. सो दिस इज अ डेफिनेशन विच इज गिवन बाय द स्टर्नबर्ग. So in total there are 4 definitions of intelligence, children, which you all have to learn and discuss in this particular chapter. After discussing about the different meaning and definition of intelligence, in this chapter the next topic which you have to discuss regarding the intelligence only is the theories of intelligence, where the theories of intelligence were divided into 2 approaches, psychometric and information. So let us discuss about that one also, and I hope intelligence आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. I want from you all to note it down, the Robert Sternberg definition. After writing this one, we will discuss now the different theory approaches to intelligence. We will discuss about the psychometric and information processing. So I just hope आप सभी ने इसे लिख लिया होगा. So I am rubbing it. Okay. So after knowing the meaning and definition, the topic which we have to discuss is theories of intelligence. आपको इंटेलिजेंस की थ्योरीज पढ़नी है बच्चों. तो देयर आर सो मेनी थ्योरीज, बहुत सारे थ्योरीज हैं आपके सिलेबस में इंटेलिजेंस के. ठीक है. इस थ्योरीज को 2 अप्रोचेस में डिवाइडेड किया गया है. कौन से 2 अप्रोच में? द फर्स्ट वन इज द साइकोमेट्रिक अप्रोच एंड सेकेंड इज द इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेसिंग. Okay, psychometric approach सेकेंड है इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेसिंग अप्रोच। ठीक है, ये 2 अप्रोचेस है, यू विल नोट इट डाउन। आप इनके नाम लिख लीजिए, साइकोमेट्रिक अप्रोच एंड इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेसिंग अप्रोच। ठीक है, इन्हें समझते हैं कि ये है क्या। साइकोमेट्रिक अप्रोच वो पार्ट है इंटेलिजेंस का जो इंटेलिजेंस के थ्योरेटिकल एस्पेक्ट की बात करता है। साइकोमेट्रिक अप्रोच टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज इंटेलिजेंस। वहीं पे इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेसिंग अप्रोच है जो कि इंटेलिजेंस की थ्योरेटिकल नहीं, एप्लीकेशन एस्पेक्ट की बात करता है, यानी फंक्शन की बात करता है। इट टॉक्स अबाउट हाउ एन इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन एक्ट। ओके, सो लेट अस स्टडीड अबाउट So let us discuss about the division of this one. इसको हम लोग differentiate करेंगे because sometime in the board papers this differentiation were asked. So you should have the point and you should know these points. ठीक है? What is the differentiation between? So here you will make a column psychometric approach. Psychometric approach. Okay, now here you will make information processing approach, psychometric approach or information processing approach. Here you will make a division like this one. So here you will write down first, it focuses on the structure of intelligence. It focuses on the structure of intelligence. Second, इसमें whereas in contrast it focuses on the function of intelligence. It focuses on the function of intelligence. I hope you all have written it down. It focuses on the structure of intelligence. It focuses on the function of intelligence. Now study the second point. It talks about what is intelligence. Talks about what is intelligence. Okay, इसमें it discuss about how an intelligent person acts. How an intelligent person act. ठीक है, ये 2 पॉइंट हो गए। एक है जो कि स्ट्रक्चर पे फोकस कर रहा है और एक है जो फंक्शन पे फोकस कर रहा है। एक ये कह रहा है कि व्हाट इज इंटेलिजेंस और सेकंड ये कह रहा है हाउ एन इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन एक्ट। ठीक है, देन सी इज द थर्ड पॉइंट इज द it discussed about theoretical aspect of intelligence. It discussed about theoretical aspects of intelligence. It discussed about theoretical aspect of intelligence. ठीक है, whereas इसमें लिखेंगे it discussed about practical aspect of intelligence. It discuss about practical aspects of It discusses about practical aspects of intelligence. It discusses about theoretical aspects of intelligence. It discusses about practical aspect of intelligence. So children, I want from you all to note this point. मैं सभी को चाहूँगी आप सभी को ये 3 points you all will note it down. So I will move forward. So अभी मैंने आपसे इसमें साइकोमेट्रिक अप्रोच और इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेसिंग अप्रोच डिस्कस कर लिया. Now I am going to tell you what are the theories which come under the psychometric and what are the theory which come under the information processing. That can be your 4th point. So I want first of all you write down these 3 points. Then I will write down the 4th point. So I just hope आप मेरे साथ लिख रहे होंगे. So you have completed this one. तो डी पॉइंट में साइकोमेट्रिक में 5 थ्योरीज आती हैं. कौन कौन सी थ्योरी? फर्स्ट आता है यूनिफैक्टर, सेकेंड होता है टू फैक्टर, थर्ड होता है थ्योरी ऑफ प्राइमरी mental abilities. Theory of primary mental abilities. Next है level 1 and level 2 theory. And last is structure of intellect model. Write down this, children. These 5 theories are included under the psychometric theory. Unifactor, two-factor theory of primary mental abilities, level 1 and level 2 theory, and structure of intellect model. Okay. Now what come under the information processing theory? इसमें क्या आएगा? It include D point है. इसमें आएगा आपका सबसे पहले आएगा theory of multiple intelligence. Theory of multiple intelligence. Then आएगा triarchic theory of intelligence. Then आएगा past model of इंटेलिजेंस. सो ये 3 थ्योरीज इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेसिंग अप्रोच में आते हैं एंड बेसिकली 5 थ्योरीज आपके साइकोमेट्रिक अप्रोच में आते हैं. सो बेसिकली दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन साइकोमेट्रिक अप्रोच एंड इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेसिंग अप्रोच. You should know the difference between psychometric theory also and information processing approach theory. So please write it down, this one also. सो आई जस्ट होप आप सभी ने इसे लिख लिया होगा. So let's move forward. So theories आप समझ रहे हैं चिल्ड्रन. तो हमें अब इसके आगे यही डिस्कस करना है. हमने आज इसमें आपसे डिस्कस किया कि इंटेलिजेंस क्या होती है, इंटेलिजेंस के व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट डेफिनेशंस ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस. Then I had discussed with you the theories of intelligence, in which I had discussed with you that intelligence theory were divided into two parts: psychometric and information processing approach. We had discussed what are the theories which come under the psychometric, which are the theory which come under the information processing approach theory. So I hope children आपको ये तीनों these approaches you all have understand very properly. So you have understand about the different meanings and definitions of intelligence which were given by the Oxford Dictionary, Wessler, Spearman, Sternberg and Binet and Simon. साइकोमेट्रिक और इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेसिंग अप्रोच में क्या डिफ्रेंशिएशन है वो भी आपने अच्छे से समझा होगा with this segregation. Okay, so discussion about the different theories which was included under the psychometric approach and under the information processing approach we will discuss in the later on video. Okay, in the later video we will discuss first of all about the psychometric approach. Okay, these theories also known to be as the psychometric theories of intelligence. So it can be come in your examination that discuss the psychometric theories of intelligence. So in that question, in that particular question, you have to discuss all these theory. Okay, and whenever the question was asked, discuss the information processing approach theory. So in that these three theory you have to discuss information processing approach. Okay, basically in information processing approach, these two theories came triarchic and pass model. Multiple is not particularly come under this one, but these two come under the information processing approach theory. So overview I had given to you all, and in the detailed discussion we will discuss in the later videos, and I hope you have understood the concept very much clearly. Still, if you feel any doubt, you will ask in the classroom or you will then ask in the online class and offline class both, and clear your doubts. And the most important thing, make your notes, children. As you have seen these videos and we are discussing these same thing in the classroom also, so it is just for your revision. You get a revisions more and more, and your concept should be made very strongly. So I just expect from you all that you all are definitely do the work, hard work. You definitely watch these videos and attend the classes regularly. Okay, so I just hope everything is very much clear to you all. Thank you so much for carefully observing this video. So the questions which were asked usually in the board paper from this particular topic is like the questions are, what is the difference between psychometric and information processing approach? ये पूछ सकता है. Then it has been asked, define the intelligence according to the Binet and Simon. Yeah, give or it can be asked that give the definition and of intelligence which was given by the Robert Sternberg. So this kind of question can be asked, or it can be asked, what are the theories which are included under the psychometric theory? What are the theories which are included under the information processing approach theory? So इस तरीके से बच्चों क्वेश्चंस आपके एग्जाम में आ सकते हैं इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू ऑल कि जैसे जैसे आप टॉपिक समझ रहे हो उनके साथ ही साथ आप बोर्ड के पेपर्स भी सॉल्व करो और बोर्ड के क्वेश्चंस को भी समझो. सो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आपकी प्रैक्टिस होना, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, एंड वन मोर थिंग, यू विल मेक अ नोट्स ऑल्सो ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस. As the topic was discussed to you, make the notes and make it corrected by the teacher. Okay, I hope this suggestion you will keep in your mind, and it will definitely help you to grow. So I already thank you for carefully listening to me and observing this video, and work hard, children, and clear your doubts. Don't hesitate in asking the question. Thank you once again.